Subukan na natin. Tubig. Naku, napakahina ng energy. Nilagyan natin ng chlorophyll. Uy! Ang lakas ng conductivity and energy niya. Ito ang pinakamaganda. Organic barley. Boom! Amazing! Sabi nga natin, kung ganito ang iinumin mo araw-araw, yung energy mo, sobrang lakas, yung conductivity, sobrang ganda. And being organic barley, may chlorophyll na siya for cleansing, vitamins and minerals, kasama po yan dito sa ating organic barley. Lahat po ng pangangailangan ng katawan mo, nandito na. So definitely, it will help you not only with your brain, the conductivity ng neurons natin, not only with your heart, but all the other organs of the body, including yung capability niya to detox, cleansing ng kidney at ng liver. Anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, mag-JC Organic Barley na from New Zealand. Supercharge your health by taking our superfood, JC Organic Barley from New Zealand.